Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by getting straight into the TV settings. Don't fiddle with cables yet. Use the remote to open settings, then go to Network or Connections so you can see wireless details. Once you arrive at the Wi-Fi section, you'll understand current status and available networks. This visual confirms whether the TV is connected. Make sure you note the active network name so you can rejoin later if needed, and be ready to select or edit that entry in the next step. Now you will disconnect by selecting the connected network entry and choosing Disconnect or Forget. This removes saved credentials and prevents automatic reconnection. If the TV lacks Forget, use the Wi-Fi toggle or enable airplane mode to cut the radio. That shuts off wireless hardware. Once done, verify the status changes to Not Connected or Off. This confirms the action worked. Make sure to remove any guest or work profiles as well, because some TVs keep a separate list of saved networks. Finish by restarting the TV so settings fully apply and the device stops trying to reconnect. If you need a stronger block, log into your router and blacklist the TV's MAC address. That prevents any future wireless access. Once restarted, confirm the Wi-Fi indicator stays off. If the TV keeps reconnecting, power cycle both TV and router, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up preferences. This clears persistent network profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.